Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is video 4 of flip truck number 1 on the channel. So we pretty much did a complete overhaul, tune up and whatnot, and necessary suspension parts that need to be replaced. So this is something that definitely needs to be replaced, and this is going to complete our video, and we'll be having it up for sale. So we're going to be welding on the stabilizer end link mount that goes to the bottom of the coil spring perch, and then the upper control arm, which is completely rotted off and held on by electrical tape. We're going to weld those on. We'll replace the stabilizer bar bushings, end links on both sides, and then call it a day, and then fucking send it, alright? So we're all set and done. We're just going to get to it, and first things first, obviously, is the jack of the vehicle, and let's get to this puppy underneath. Now that we got the truck up and off the ground in the air, we're going to go ahead and grind down the rust, try to make a good contact with the welder. I don't know how we're going to be doing it, just because when the vehicle's jacked up, all the suspension parts move, so it's not going to be completely straight. So what I'm probably going to do is just end up grinding it down and putting the truck on a jack stand, and then getting the jack, the pump jack, on the bottom of the axle, just to bend it, pump it up to articulate it, so maybe it meets what the suspension part is supposed to be at. We're going to see how that works out. Hopefully it works out okay. If not, we're going to weld the best we can and then just send it. So guys, start grinding. Alright guys, all set and welded up. I was able to make do with what I got. It was a little rusty, a little crunchy. Grind it down, not much bare metal. I could be able to fill some of the gaps in the best I could, not all. But I give it a couple boots and dude, I can't even move it. So let's hope the weight of the vehicle, you know, it's a little bit stronger than me. Just a little bit, but we'll see. Alright, ready? No crunching. What do you think? Get the light down in here. That control arm, how's that control arm holding up? Looks pretty good. And this thing, that's on there pretty good, so we gotta control that now. Connect that. Alright. Alright, now it's just time. Now we're just gonna put it all together now that we know it somewhat holds. I mean, probably should take it down the road first. Let's take it down the road first, and then we'll bring it back in and see if the control arm holds up. We didn't do the sway bar end links yet. I'm pretty sure that's going to hold up. There's really not much weight on that. It's just the control arm that has a lot of that weight that connects to the axle. So we're going to take this thing for a spin, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, that is it. Front stabilizer end links are on. Everything's welded up perfectly fine. Everything is good the way we want it to. It is now ready for sale. So hopefully we get a quick flip on this and make some quick cash, and then work on the Cherokee and another flip eventually down the road. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you on the next video.